In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Salesforce Flow declaratively. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your flows, launch a debug session, and validate that everything behaves the way you expect, all without writing a single line of code. Start in your Salesforce org and look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Click it, then choose Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the main configuration area where you can access everything related to automation. If you're working in a sandbox or if your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Just make sure you're in the setup experience where the left-hand search bar is visible. In the left pane, use the search bar and type flows. When the flows section appears, select it. You'll now see a list of flows available in your org, including their types and statuses. This list is your starting point for testing. Take a second to identify the flow you want to test. Maybe it's a screen flow you're building for a form, or an auto-launched flow tied to a process. Keeping track of the flow's name and whether it's active can help you understand what you're about to simulate. Click on the flow you'd like to test. You'll be taken into Flow Builder, which is the canvas where the logic, screens, and decisions are laid out. This is where you can visually confirm the path your flow will take and double-check that your connectors and elements look correct. To test the flow, click Debug in the top right. Debug is your friendly built-in test harness. It lets you simulate a run and see a step-by-step trace of what's happening. After clicking Debug, Salesforce may ask for input variables. These are the values your flow expects at the start, such as an ID, a number, or a text value that the flow uses to do its work. If your flow requires them, enter realistic test values that match what the flow would receive in a real scenario. If no inputs are needed, you can proceed. When you're ready, click Run. Watch the debug details as they appear. You'll see which elements fire, how decisions are evaluated, and any messages or errors that surface. This view is incredibly useful for confirming that your logic is correct and that the flow is reaching the expected outcomes. If something doesn't look right, note the element name and message so you can adjust the flow later. That's all. With Debug, you can quickly validate your flow's behavior and gain confidence before deploying or using it in real scenarios.